welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christy. If this is your first time seeing my face, you are welcome. If this is not, thank you so much for coming back, VIP. And please, if this is not your first time, if this is your first time, please subscribe. Okay, join the VIP family by subscribing. I promise you, you're going to love it here. So this is a new vlog. We're starting a new vlog. I haven't vlogged since the trip to Ibadan. I think that vlog should be out at the time of you seeing this video. It should be out. This phone is going down. My tripod is bad, guys. I've just been managing. Anyway, I want to do an unboxing. I got a tripod. Not this one I'm using. This is my regular, like, small table tripod that, like, you can hold and use to vlog around. I wanted, like, a big tripod. If I want to film other kind of videos that I need more height, I normally use my ring light, like, just place the phone on the ring light phone holder and just do my thing. But I really wanted a tripod like this. Big thanks to my husband. Thank you so much, babe. So finally got this tripod and a mic. Not this one I'm using. This is the wireless microphone. See how dusty this thing is. I've had this thing since, like, I got this almost 2 months ago. I think after that, before we went for that Ibadan trip, it arrived like a day before. So I wanted to do an unboxing, but I did not do it. I've not even checked. Even this makeup product I'm going to show you guys too, I've had it for close to a month now. I just haven't opened it because I wanted to, like, I was just looking for the right time, and I have some clips on my phone. Like, I really wanted to clear the phone before I start filming again. I can't remember how much I got this thing, but the person I got this mic and tripod from is the same person I got my ring light. My white, oh, that white background is at home now. Like, home, I mean my dad's place. If you've been following up my old makeup videos, you see there's one white wallpaper thing. So I got that from her. I got this mic, my ring light, and that wallpaper thing from her. So, and this is the double wireless microphone, so she said, though, but they didn't write it though. But she said it's a double one, sure. Because after I had paid for it, okay, yeah, it's a double one. Let me show you guys. Here's what the pack is looking like. Then, oh, there are 2 microphones inside. So it's actually the double one. See? So I think I'm supposed to charge this, because I remember her telling me that I'm meant to charge them before I use. How do I even charge them? I have to. Maybe I place it here. Guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to message and ask her how I'm supposed to charge this thing. So let's unbox this. This is the first time I'm doing an actual unboxing on this channel. I hope this thing is still recording now. Just imagine me saying all this thing and it's not recording. Let me check. She told me she had 2 and that this one is the stronger one, so I said to get this one. I'll put the price on the screen because right now I can't remember, but it was more than maybe 25-27k. I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen. So it says here 3-way fluid effect span head, quick release plate, dual bubble level, attached with hook, quick release leg hook, non-slip adjustable rubber fit. This has a bit of weight. I think this is the type photographers used to. Oh, it even has a bag. Nice. It should have a bag. Why not? Let's open up. Oh, that's how far it can go. my way. Oh. Guys, this thing really looks solid. This thing really looks solid. Like, it's so solid. It feels so firm and durable. I have to figure out how to start using this. Like, I need to start utilizing it. It feels so firm and durable. Okay. It's quite easy. Okay, what next? What does this do? Here, write it down. Back. How do I place my phone on this thing? Let me choose aside. I ordered this makeup from Zikel Cosmetics from their main page, their official page on Instagram. I ordered the nude lip gloss set. I've always been wanting that, the nude lip gloss. So I just ordered for the, you know, they first launched 6 shades. Was it 6 shades or 5? I think so. Then I think they now launched, they added 3 other shades to it. So I just ordered for that one. The first shades they launched. Let me quickly open this. There's one other thing I ordered for. What's this thing I'm seeing inside? I can't remember the other thing I ordered for. I know I ordered for the gloss. I ordered for that their setting powder puff, and I really cannot remember. Oh, I remember now. I ordered for their concealer palette. That's Golive concealer palette. That was what I really wanted at first. That was the main thing why I went on their page that day, because the suppliers I have here in Benin, I asked them and they said they didn't have the palette. So yeah. So this is the Golive palette. I'm so excited. Now let's open this first. Let's see. Okay, send me nude. So this is what it looks like. It looks so cute. Ooh. My god, this looks so pretty. Yeah, I told you 6 shades. So I'm going to also do I think all these new makeup products I've gotten, I'm just going to do a video using the new stuff I've gotten. I think that's what's going to happen. I really wanted this. The shop I checked here in Benin, they didn't even have this. They had this and this. But I wanted this shade for dark skin. This too would really fit a light skin more. I feel this too would go better for dark skin. So I really wanted this shade for dark skin, and I wanted this too. And of course, you can never get enough clear lip gloss. So yeah. So that's for this. Then I got this for that. But why doesn't it have Zikel on it? Why? The one I saw on Instagram, they had Zikel written on it now, or did they not? I'll check. Where I wanted this too for. I already got one like this, but that one was what color is that? Lemon color, or is it green? And I wanted black. I did not see black in the shop in Benin, so I was like, they have black. Let me just. So now, the start of the show. Why I really went to Zikel Instagram page. This bad girl here. Ha! This thing is sleek. My god. Guys, this looks so fine. Like the packaging. See, so I think these are the concealer shades and these are the blush shades. Ah god, I shouldn't have gotten that blush palette. I swear. This is enough blush shades. Come on. Why did I get that blush palette? These are enough concealers. They look so creamy. See this dark contour shade. This particular one. This one looks so dark, like for dark skin. And this is how much did this cost? Was it not 6,000 naira or so? 5,500 naira. See, for all this goodness, this is really a good buy. I can't wait to use this. You can actually do a full face makeup with this. Like, you can use the concealer, you can use this one if you are dark like me. This dark shade there can pass for your foundation. You can use this one for blush. You can also use this for lipstick too. You can even use this dark one to line your lips. Like, I cannot wait to try this out, seriously. So guys, that is it for my unboxing. Let me go ahead and film my video and film my makeup video. I think time should be like past 1 now. I don't know, something in me like I want to still chill, like not do this video, but the other part of me that's like, you can do it, girl. No procrastination this year. We have to be serious. We have to hit 500 subscribers, and we have to hit 500 subscribers. Like, it's just telling me you can do it. My ring light battery is charged, so let me just do it. So guys, I'll see you guys later when I'm done with the makeup video. So next time you see me, I'll be looking glammed. Nothing serious. I don't even think I'll do eyeshadow. Maybe I'll do a little smoky brown eye because I want to wear a fringe wig. I don't want to do so much on my brows. So maybe I'll just do liner and stuff. I don't know. That was a mouthful. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, hello, how you doing? So I am finally done filming. This is the finished look. I don't know how I feel about this wig, to be honest, but I've been running away from it because of the color, and I decided to just wear it today. Tell me why I decided to wear it, like on a day when, like, I just decided to wear it on a day when I want to show it to the world, because this is YouTube. I don't know. I hope it's not so bad though. Anyway, so that is it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe when I'm on my way to the market or something, because tomorrow is Saturday and I'll be cooking at home. So yeah, I did this cool brown smoky eye look, and I winged some black eyeshadow like this, and nude pink lips. I love it. Okay, so see you guys. Bye.